So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video we are going to talk about an amazing job opportunity that has been floated in Amazon. It is a high paying non-technical job where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, how you can apply for this role, job description, and the interview related questions and answers that are asked for this particular role. So watch this video till the end if you want to apply for this job role. And in case you have landed new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. And friends, just one request, I really request you to please do like my videos as it gives me a lot of motivation if you do that and make more good content for you. So let's start today's video with the first thing, which is the eligibility criteria for this role of site merchandiser, which is a non-technical role. So here you need to have bachelor's degree in any discipline. You need to have good communication skills in writing as well as verbal. So you need to be good at email writing and these kind of things and also able to communicate. Knowledge in MS Excel is preferred, and in case you don't have complete knowledge, then they are also willing to accept candidates who are willing to learn MS Excel in detail. And friends, I also wanted to ask you if you would be interested in a video regarding MS Excel skills, particularly for Amazon. So if you are interested, do write in comments box. If I receive enough comments, then I will make a video on the top MS Excel skills that are required for joining in Amazon. Next is you should have passion for working in e-commerce industry. So this is the basic eligibility criteria. Next, regarding the job description, here see your job will be more or less related to what a marketing associate does. So don't go too much by the name site merchandiser. Is a bit confusing. Just think of it as a marketing associate. So here you will be tracking and analyzing customer needs based on customer behavior, including searching, browsing, and purchasing. So you will note the customer behavior and then accordingly target the customer. Formulating and executing the marketing plan. So you will have to make a marketing plan. This will include email and push programs, new product launches, developing and executing Amazon site-wide events. Next is developing and managing SEO initiatives, free search improvement projects, online ads, social media campaigns, and new traffic driving content strategies. So here these digital marketing strategies also you have to apply. So you should be aware of it. Next is regarding the interview rounds. Much information is not available, but still, as far as I have seen, round 1 English grammar, round 2 Versant rounds, round 3 manager or the operations round 4 the HR interview. And regarding the salary, it is absolutely amazing. Between 0 to 1 year of experience, they give 5 to 13 lakhs per annum salary. You can also verify it online. This is the salary range. Now moving on to the operations round. As far as English grammar and Versant rounds are considered, I have given the link in the description box for the video. You can check them out. And regarding the operations and manager round, I am covering. So here, first of all, they will surely ask you about the marketing strategies of Amazon. So since you are joining their marketing department, you should be aware of that. So first strategy is diversification strategy. They offer the widest range of products. So this is how Amazon has differentiated itself from its competitors, that they have so many range of products that their customer base increased tremendously and they grew rapidly. Next is affiliate marketing strategies. So affiliate marketing is nothing but using common people as affiliates to market your own products. So Amazon does that also. Next is a high runner strategy. This is also a very important pricing strategy. It uses data to uncover which products are in the highest demand in every category. So as you know, Amazon has a lot of category of products. So it will uncover which products are in the highest demand currently, and then Amazon's pricing algorithm then prices those products competitively and bids heavily on advertisements to pull people to those products. So when they recognize that the product is in high demand, they price it at a low price, and then give online advertisement for it so that more people are attracted to it, and that is how they grow their customer base. Next, and again a very important strategy, email marketing strategy. So Amazon uses a variety of automated email campaigns to generate sales for its business. So for example, if someone adds a product to their cart, they may later see a reminder on their email to complete their purchase. Next, even after buying a product, a shopper may receive additional product recommendations. So these are the email marketing strategies they deploy. Next is, friends, a random shout out for one of my subscriber, King David. I don't know if it's his real name or not, and he has written a very valuable comment also. He said that I did very well in the interview for TRI, and I believe interviewer was impressed with my answers. Everything was asked on the video. Thank you. So I have made a video on TRI interview questions. So he has most likely cleared the TRI exam with the help of my video. So a shout out for him. And in case you want a shout out against your name, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a valuable comment. So next, friends, they can also ask you what marketing strategy can you add to Amazon. So you should also be knowing some of the strategies that you can suggest to Amazon. So one of them I have written, improving email marketing. So you can still improve email marketing. You can send questionnaires to gauge the experience of customer after buying the product. So Amazon does not do this. So you can make a questionnaire depending on the product the customer has bought, and then give this questionnaire to them, and then they can reply you with that questionnaire, and from that you will be knowing what are the strengths and weakness of the product, and you can then suggest how to improve that product. So next is, since they will also be using digital marketing strategies, they have written that you should be aware about search engine optimization. So you don't need to go into detail, but you should know its basic definition. So search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic or a web page from search engines. So whenever someone searches for something on search engine, your website name or your product on your website should come first. So that is what is the aim of SEO. But it is for unpaid traffic. So you don't need to pay for it. You have to just use keywords on your website in such a way so that if someone searches for them on Google, your site should pop up first. Next is search engine marketing. What do you know about search engine marketing? So it is similar to SEO, but here you are doing paid promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in search engine results. So here, if the customer searches for something, your website will pop up because you have paid money for that. Next is, what do you know about A/B testing in search engine marketing? So it is nothing but whenever you make an advertisement, you first check with random users, okay, from your company only, to check which ad they are liking more. So you will make a couple of ads, and then whoever ad which advertisement is getting more support from your team or the small team of users, you will then promote that ad and pay money for that. Next is click through rate. So this is also a term for digital marketing. It is very simple. So when you will do search engine marketing, so if a customer searches and your site pop-ups, click through rate is the percentage of people clicking on your website. So if it is shown to 100 people and 6 people are clicking on it, then your click through rate is 6%. Now we move on to the HR interview questions. So here they can ask you why this role. So here you can talk about your strengths related to this role and back it up with a real life example. So you can say that you are internet savvy, you have good networking skills because this will be required, good communication skills, and you have a strong presence on social media. These kind of strengths you can talk about. Then they can ask you why should we hire you for this role. So for this particular role, I have already made a sample answer on one of my videos of why should we hire you. So I'm giving the link in the description box. This question will definitely be asked for this position, so you better check out that video. And some other HR interview questions could be why Amazon, talk about your final year project, what is your weakness, Tell me about yourself. Talk about a time when you failed, because sometimes marketing people fail in their strategy. So you should be knowing what to do when you fail. So I have already made videos on these questions, so I'm not repeating them. I'm giving the link in the description. You can check out these questions in those videos. So friends, now I'll just show you how you can apply for this role. So this is the link I have given in description box. You can read about it, the entire job description, and if you feel you are okay with this, you can just go to apply now, and apply now with your Amazon jobs account or your normal Amazon account. And if you don't have one, you can create one. So friends, this was about this high paying job opening. So I hope the video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep coming up with more such videos in future. So till then, bye bye.